My name is Nancy Otu. I'm the delivery lead for the new era of banking. This is the command center. We've been here since the past 72 hours, working through data sets upon data sets to get our customers across onto our new platform, just to ensure that we serve them better and get them to experience the new world of banking. We have been working through various simulations, and this is the go live moment. We can't wait to serve our clients and get them to experience us in a new way.